Mega leak bomb is here. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra leaks have picked up a very fast pace, and today we got the most important leak of them all, the battery size of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to the latest report from Weibo, Samsung has decided to use once again the same battery size of last 3 years, which is 5000 mAh cell. Although we have the same battery size, it could have the new EV tech from Samsung that allows a battery to retain the same big size while being thinner than before. If Samsung brings that to the S23 Ultra, then the phone might be sleeker than the S22 Ultra and also lighter while sporting the same muscle. Now, for those who are saying that Samsung should increase the battery size, well, I think 5000 mAh is the perfect balance. What Samsung needs is chip optimization, and well, Qualcomm is the savior. The source has also revealed the full specs configuration of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and before we talk about this, guys, it's done. I have finally dished my old smartphone case and upgraded to the all-new Impact and Ultra Impact cases from Casetify. They come with all-new XEETECH 2.0 technology, which offers drop protection for up to 9.8 feet. They actually challenged us to do a drop test, so we dropped the S22 Ultra from head height, and as expected, the phone was perfectly fine. Thanks to the shock dispersing material lined inside the case bumper, it protects all four corners, giving you the ultimate protection. What set these cases apart from the competition is that they have antimicrobial coating, killing 99% of bacteria. It's time for you to upgrade as well, so head to casetify.com/XEETECHCARE. The link is mentioned in the description to get 15% off. This is a limited time deal, so don't miss. Alrighty, looking at the specs of the 8 Gen 2, it seems like Qualcomm has taken pretty smart decisions. Instead of having two super cores, Qualcomm has went with single Cortex-X3 super core along with 4 high performance cores and 3 low power cores instead of 2 from last year's configuration. Along with this, we're gonna see an improved Adreno 740 GPU to handle the graphics. This seems to be a very careful choice of set from Qualcomm to maximize performance, but most importantly to maximize efficiency, which will be the key to unlock the best battery life on the S23 Ultra. Samsung not only ruined their own phones with the worst chips, but they also ruined the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 for other brands through their bad 4nm process. Now they stepped back, no exynos, and they have zero involvement in the making of the 8 Gen 2, as TSMC is using its better 4nm process, is the same company that is responsible for handling Apple's chips. Best believe we're going to see the most capable and the most battery efficient Ultra flagship from Samsung in 2023. Also, it's further confirmed that the 200 megapixel Isocell HP2 is happening on the S23 Ultra, as Isoniverse is further claiming that is one of the best sources we have, so this is really happening. Now, speaking of camera, Samsung is set to retain the same Periscope Lens from the S22 Ultra on the new Galaxy S23 Ultra. As we know, Samsung is the best when it comes to the long-range zoom performance. There's no doubt about that. We're still bound to see more improvements thanks to the new ISP from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Hopefully, Samsung will be able to improve the sharpness of the long-range zoom even more, along with the computational photography. Now, last but not the least, the biggest price dump leak is here. Full pricing for all the unpacked products that are coming on August 10th. It seems like there is a price increase for the Flip 4 in Europe according to OnLeaks. Now, I'm not sure if there's going to be a 128GB version for this market. That model will likely retain the same base price as the last year's Z Flip 3. As for the Galaxy Watch 5 series, we have the price increase for the Watch 5 Pro. Understandably, this is the flagship watch with the new upgrades. As for the Fold 4, we've got the same pricing as last year's model. So there we go. That is all the news for today. Let me know what you think regarding the pricing of the unpacked products as well as the battery decision for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Drop your thoughts and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.